10 World War II facts that sound fake but are 100% true. World War II, the deadliest war in history, with unbelievable stories of survival and deception. Fact 1. The war started with a lie. In 1939, Nazi forces staged a fake attack on their own radio station called the Gleiwitz Incident. This false flag operation gave Hitler an excuse to invade Poland. Tsutomu Yamaguchi survived both atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, defying all odds. Fact 3. Fake tanks fooled the Nazis. Allies created fake armies with inflatable tanks and wooden planes. Operation Fortitude tricked Germany into defending the wrong place before D-Day. A Syrian brown bear named Wojciech was enlisted in the Polish army, carrying ammunition and holding rank. Japanese soldier Hiro Onoda fought in the jungle until 1974, unaware that World War II had ended decades earlier. Fact 6. The deadliest event in history. World War II caused over 70 million deaths. The Holocaust led to millions of innocent deaths, marking it as the darkest chapter in human history. Coca-Cola, unable to deliver syrup to Nazi Germany, created Fanta using local ingredients during the war. Cher Ami, a war pigeon, delivered a vital message despite injuries, saving nearly 200 soldiers in battle. In 1945, a Japanese submarine sank the USS Indianapolis in just 12 minutes, one of history's fastest naval disasters. World War II wasn't just about battles. It was filled with unbelievable human stories. Which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments.